facing a critical Windows failure due to the Nsh HTTP Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before we dive into the Nsh HTTP library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Nsh HTTP library, the Netsh HTTP Helper library. It provides unmanaged routines for configuring the HTTP.sys stack via the command line. It facilitates the orchestration of local server port link and SSL manifests. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Nsh HTTP Library DLL and restore stability. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Nsh HTTP library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The version of Nsh HTTP Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A maintenance path for Nsh HTTP library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Nsh HTTP library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.